Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to Brainplosion. Yes, I am alive. I've just been taking a bit of a break to spend time with friends, family, so I do apologize for the break, but yeah, I should be back. So laminar flow, for those of you who don't know, this is a super simple way of describing it, is when fluid travels smoothly with nothing disturbing it. It makes water almost look frozen in place. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it yourself for really cheap and really easy. So you're first going to need some balloons. I just got these from Walmart for like about $1. You can get bigger ones for $2, which is, I did get those, but you'd really just need the simple $1 balloons. You're gonna need some tape. I got about 3 rolls of electrical tape for about $3 to $4 from Walmart, and something sharp to poke the balloon. I'm using this blade be careful with anything sharp because yeah, I don't want you blaming me for any accidents. So you're first gonna fill up your balloon with water. I should have said this in the beginning, but oh well. I suggest you do this outside because if you do this in your restroom or anywhere, like in your sink, that's not big enough to hold that much water. Yeah, you're going to make a mess, as you can see from my mistakes. You're then going to make a square using your tape. And basically what this does is it stops the balloon from popping completely and lets the water flow out of it smoothly. Then you just pop the little square that you've made, and feel free to take any liberties with making any shapes or, add as many squares as you want because you might get something cool out of it. And now enjoy the laminar flow. Before ending the video, I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to these awesome subscribers for commenting what their favorite drink was in my last video. You guys are some of the people that always cheer me on all the time, and I just really want to say thank you for that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Again, I'm really sorry for the long break, but I don't know, I feel like I needed it. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.